Morning guys, it's June 1st, 2023. This one I got a call from a lady. I fixed this outside shower for her last year, and her husband was going to winterize it last fall. Told him how to winterize it. Well, obviously he didn't do it right, because she's calling me and she's saying it's leaking. Well, the guy was telling me he knew how to winterize it, and I went over with him how to do it, and obviously he didn't do it right. She says he didn't open the valve outside. He opened the drains in the basement, but he didn't open the valve outside to release the water, the vacuum. Well, that's not going to work. Anyway, a lot of times people they know everything, and then they think they know everything, but then they screw it up. But it's all good. I'll go back over there and she can pay me to fix it. Pretty simple. Gonna go over there and hopefully I don't have to change the valve out. Hopefully. But if I do, I have valves in the truck. Hopefully it's just a piece of pipe. We can fix it and be on our way. Miss Molly's a little scared of the new shelf there. I don't know why, Molly. You got your water bottle. I got a water container over there for you, and it's perfect. Miss Molly, you want to drive? You love driving. I know you love driving, Miss Molly. You love driving, Miss Molly. I know it. You love driving. You love driving, Miss Molly. I know. You love it. You love it, love it, love it. We'll get you some shots when I get over there. Hopefully, I can take care of this for this damsel. Another damsel in distress, Miss Molly. Yeah, another damsel in distress. I know it. Crazy. That's crazy, Miss Molly. Alright, there's valves down here and bleeders. Valves here. I don't see no bleeders. You gotta shut these two valves off, and then there's probably bleeders outside. I didn't do any of this. This was here. Let's go see what the hell's going on out here. I think I added bleeders outside or something. Right. Yeah, that's what I did. I put bleeders here. He didn't open them, the dum-dum. Gotta open these and drain it. Well, it's a flipping shock bite. Looks like it might be leaking. Isn't that wonderful? Oh. Let's turn it on. Oh, this is loose. It's loose as a goose, Mama. Oh man, that's loose as a goose. Let's tighten that up first. That's loose. That's gonna leak. Alright, so let's see. That's tight. This one is, wow, look how loose that is. That's really loose. He should have opened this. Oh, that would have leaked. That's not even tight. That should be off. I think that's off. I added these two bleeders last year, so we could drain it. So you're gonna shut it off inside, open them two, and then you're gonna open this valve and drain this leg out. And we should do this also. So let's turn it on and see what happens. What do you think? I think it's gonna probably be okay. Suspense. The suspense is killing me. Suspense is killing me. Nothing but quality here. This. It's just shock bite shit. Unpacks the copper. Unbelievable. Oh, something's dripping. Not bad. I'll tighten it up a little more, maybe. Looks like these might have to be tightened. There's a leaker. Nothing but quality here. It's a leaker. This is a Joe Homeowner special. What's it they called? Joe Homeowner special. Heck, that's fucking junk. Shock bite. Just junk. Flipping junk. Junk. Joe Homeowner. Yeah, good enough for this neighborhood. Oh man, good enough of this neighborhood, mama. What do you think? I think that's gonna work, huh? Oh my god. Nothing but quality here. Nothing but quality here. That shower head looks chooched. Yeah, it's flipping all frozen, see it? Leaking from up top there. Needs to be replaced. Wow. It's all frozen. It'll work, but it's all frozen. The frozen chosen, mama. You can see it's leaking. It's all split. Flipping dum-dum. Left the water in it. I should be able to get another one of them. Nothing but quality. Nothing but quality. Yeah, it's just all. I don't know if I could take it apart and spin it around, give it another how you doing, but I don't think so. I think it's split. Betcha. Unless I put a regular mowing on there, but I hate to do that because he's gonna. Yeah, it's coming right from the threads there. I wonder if I could take these screws out and just give that thing a spin, maybe. What do you think? You feel lunky, punk? I might be able to just spin it. Maybe. Do you feel lucky, punk? Probably not, but. Do I feel lucky? techs downstairs, so I'm not really too worried about that. Let's see if I can spin it. Oh yeah, she's loose as a goose, Mama. She's loose as a goose, Mama. She's just flipping loose as a goose, Mama. Still water pressure to it, but see if I can give it a spin. Wow, she's flipping loose by hand. Wow. Yeah, that might work. Wow, that was pretty bad. She's loose as a goose, Mama. Let's see. She's loose as a goose. Probably gonna have to clean the shower head out. A lot of these things are known to have problems with the shower heads because I get. Well, the thing was, Joe Homeowner put it in. They didn't even tighten it. Joe Homeowner. We'll see if it's better now. Maybe. It's probably always like that. Things just flipping junk. These shower heads are always a problem. They always gets full of rust. Screws in there, but I could put some more screws, some longer screws in there or something. Let's try it. I don't want to get too technical with this thing. Yeah, it was just need a better shower head. That shower head's just shit. Well, there we go. Yeehaw. Not bad. How about this one? Just flipping loose as a goose, Mama. Loose as a goose. So that shower's kind of really. There's a little O-ring in there that I could take out and make that head squirt better. I'll show you. There's a little black O-ring in there and it's holding back the water. Turn it into a flipping water saver from hell. I don't know if you can see it in there, but I gotta pull that device out of there. If I can get that out of there, I get more flow. Get more flow out of the Joe. That's what we want, if I can get it out. I don't know if I can get it out of there. Some of them you can take out, some of them you can't. I don't know. Look at that for a fucking flipping restriction. Let's take that the hell out of there and see what we got now. That should work better. Yeah, this little piece of shit. Let's try it now. Probably be too much. Probably be too much now. Let's see. Don't tell the water that the water. Don't tell the tree huggers that. It'll get me in trouble. Saving on water, you know. Whoa! Look at that thing. Yeehaw! That thing will blow you into next week, Mama. Oh yeah, that thing will blow you to next week. Oh, look at that shit. Yeehaw. Wow. It's almost too much. I'm gonna need to open that up a little bit because it's getting too much flow. Oh my God. Well, I want that for my house. They could adjust it here and, you know, give it less if they want, right? There you go. Oh, flipping shit show. This thing's still leaking a little bit. I gotta give it a little more. How you doing? It's as good as it gets. It's as good as it gets, Mama. Went through a freeze and it's as good as it gets right there. Alright, that's good. Take out the flipping flow control. That thing's like, I could take that white thing out and probably be alright, be a lot better. I get that flipping. If I get that white thing out of there, it'd be like the flipping shower head from hell. Yeah, just leave it out. See that white thing? Usually there's an O-ring in there. I'm going to take that white thing out of there. See it? That's going to give me more flipping flow. Yep, I'll leave that in there. I'll leave that. Maybe even take that gasket the hell out of this. That gasket in there. Take the gasket out. That's gonna cut me way back. I can't leave them with too much flow. Be an issue. I'll put this. We'll drop this back in here. Drop that back in. That blue thing. That should slow it down some. Unless if it was my house, I'd leave that sucker out, man. Way into next week. That should be better. Let's see. What are you thinking? I'm thinking that's going to be better. Oh yeah, that's better. That's definitely better. Nice shower. Nice shower. That's it. It's as good as it gets, Mama. Alright, these aren't leaking, so gaskets for drain exterior. Yeah. Alright, it's good enough for this neighborhood.